This is a story from Satyuga. There once lived a demon named Jalodbhava in a beautiful lake. When Lord Vishnu's Varaha avatar came to earth, he defeated and killed the demon. Varaha then knocked down the mountain around the lake with his tusks. This washed away much of the lake, clearing the land. Later, sage Kashyapa settled down on this land. The name of that lake was Satisar. The place where Varaha knocked down the mountain got the name Varahamul from the boar's tusks. This later became Baramulla, and the valley where sage Kashyapa settled became Kashyap Mir, aka Kashmir. Hi, I'm Saili, and in this video, we are going to talk about the ancient history of Jammu and Kashmir. The geographical location of Kashmir has largely contributed to its cultural history. According to Kautilya, mythology and legends also have an important place in history. The story we heard of sage Kashyap and the incarnation of the Varaha actually indicates a great geographical change in the Kashmir valley. The surrounding mountains have given Kashmir a natural security. As a result, Kashmir valley stands out distinctly from the surrounding mainland. Great men of the past who lived around the Kashmir valley contributed hugely in the development of Indian culture. The Kashmir region from Vedic period was much more spread across than what we know today. According to Yuan Shuang, a Chinese scholar and traveler, the borders of Kashmir of the Karkot Empire extended from Punjab to Afghanistan during the reign of King Durlabvardhan, further including parts of Gilgit, Balistan and western Tibet. Rajat Rangini, a Sanskrit book written by Kalhana, contains historical chronicle of early India, particularly the kings of Kashmir. Historians and scholars like Panini and Patanjali laid the foundation for Indian culture. There is also mention of Kashmir in Panini's book Ashtadhyayi. To watch our video on Ashtadhyayi, click on the I button. When we take a look at Kashmir's history, we understand that the prehistoric era and the Vedic period is where the Indian culture evolved from. Kashmir also came in contact with the Mauryas, Shungas, Shakas, Satavahanas, Greeks, and Kushans during the second urbanization period, and a rich culture developed and spread all over the world. This continued up till the Gupta Empire in the early medieval periods. World-renowned universities such as Takshashila were mostly responsible for this boom. Later, there was the dominance of Shaivism. Then in the reign of King Ashok, Buddhism spread in the Kashmir valley. Yet, all cultures flourished in harmony. Thereafter, however, from the late medieval period, the force of foreign invaders started rising. The important difference between these invaders and the previous rulers was that these foreign invaders not only wanted to expand the borders of the state, they also wanted to propagate the foreign culture by destroying the local culture which had developed over thousands of years. Places with excellent Kashmiri sculptures like the Martand Sun Temple and the centers of knowledge like Takshashila were at risk. In the Sultanate Empire and the Mughal Empire, the local Kashmiris, especially the Kashmiri Pandits, learned Persian and other languages to become proficient in business, maintaining their dominance over the economic capacities. But in the Durrani Empire, atrocities knew no bounds. A ray of hope shone in 1819. Defeating the Afghan ruler, Maharaja Ranjit Singh annexed the Kashmir Valley to the Sikh Empire and handed over the kingdom to Dogra King Gulab Singh. It is well known in modern history how Kashmir became an autonomous state rather than becoming a part of the Sikh Empire. The recent revocation of Article 370 has opened the door to peace in the Kashmir Valley. Because in the end, everyone who has visited Kashmir will not forget the lines of poet Ilyas Ahmad. Gar firdos bar ruye zami ast, hami ast, hami ast, hami ast. Meaning, if there is a heaven on earth, it is here in Kashmir. And everyone who loves Kashmir will want it to remain unaltered. So this was some brief information about Kashmir. If you like our video, be sure to like and share it with your friends and family. Tell us exactly how you like our video in the comments below. and subscribe to the channel to watch more such interesting videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.